The new 2024 Lexus RZ concept offers a luxurious and cool look with an elegant spindle grille combined with a tail-like strip that spans the entire width of the body. On the roof, there is also a very cope-like roofline, which may reduce practicality but add appeal aesthetic of the new RZ 2024. We also hope that the appearance and interior materials used are able to provide maximum comfort and security and may be able to compete with the luxury of German vehicles. The new Lexus RZ 2024 will likely carry the same powertrain and with almost the same performance, but we expect more. His brother brings an AWD configuration with dual electric motors capable of generating power of 215 horsepower, which can get a range of up to 250 miles by relying on a 71.4 kWh battery capacity. 2024 Lexus RZ price. The price offered is also likely to be above its sibling BZ4X, which can reach $46,000, or it could be higher. Some competitors in the luxury electric vehicle segment, such as the 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron, also offer many advantages and interior luxury.